medals and degrees, and others all for their gracious presence on this auspicious occasion. I wish to take an opportunity to put before you some glimpse of CHARUSAT. CHARUSAT traveled to arrive at this occasion, and that I will put in brief. CHARUSAT is emerged from organizations with a strong social fabric. Matru Sanstha was founded in 1895. The grandmother of CHARUSAT has heritage of social service for more than 120 years. Keravani Mandal, a public charitable trust, the sponsoring body of CHARUSAT, was conceived in 1994. It was established with sole aim of bringing global level education at the doorsteps of rural areas. The first professional education institute at this clean and green campus was established on 4th December 2000 by Keravani Mandal. Initially, we were functioning as a group of institutes, and I am pleased to inform that Education Campus Changa has completed a successful journey of 15 years just yesterday. Government of Gujarat passed Gujarat Private Universities Act in the year 2009 to give boost to the establishment of private universities in Gujarat. Consequently, CHARUSAT has born in the year 2009. It has also been given approval by University Grant Commission to confer degrees under Section 22 of UGC Act 1956. We follow and practice values of honesty, integrity, transparency, and social responsibility. These are integral part of our work culture at CHARUSAT, with zero donation policy in admission and even staff recruitment. All education programs are semester-based. Learning is based on choice-based credit system, and evaluation is on grading system. Presently, we have 6 faculties, 8 institutes, more than 62 programs in UG, PG, and doctorate in the field of technology and engineering, in pharmacy, computer applications, management, applied sciences, nursing, physiotherapy, and paramedical sciences. The university also has Dr. K.C. Patel R&D Center, Principal B.I. Patel Human Resource Development Center, CHARUSAT Space Technology and Research Center, CHARUSAT Rural Education Development Program Cell, and 14 endowment chairs. The motive of CHARUSAT has been extended beyond its teaching, learning, and extension activities through establishing incubation, innovation, and entrepreneurial promotion center in the campus to deal with the activities like IPR, technology transfer, and industrial scale manufacturing. The university campus is over 105 acres of lush green land with modern teaching and learning facilities, with total construction area of more than 88,000 square meters. The entire campus is Wi-Fi enabled and has 200 Mbps round-the-clock internet connectivity. There are more than 2,500 computers, high-end servers, and latest softwares. Central library is enriched with more than 64,000 books, 309 print journals, and more than 13,000 e-journals and educational databases. Present development at CHARUSAT has capital outlay of 1,130 million. In context to student support and progression of CHARUSAT, CHARUSAT has introduced different kinds of scholarship of rupees 2.9 crore per year. CHARUSAT has instituted total 30 gold medals, created indoor and outdoor sports facilities, including fitness center. CHARUSAT provides special training to the students of GATE, GPAT, and GRE. CHARUSAT has set for itself the vision of being amongst the top 20 universities at the national level in coming years. For the purpose, vision roadmap has been charted out. There is a plan to offer 80 plus different programs, having total student strengths more than 10,000. It will have a capital outlay of rupees 2,500 million. In the long run, CHARUSAT aspires to have an international identity through appearing in the list of world-class universities. It will strive to achieve it through a culture that represents the serenity of the old days places of learning like Takshashila and Nalanda, and the scholarship of the center like Harvard and Stanford. Actually, we intend to achieve this vision through focusing on two major thrust areas. The first thrust area has been and would remain research and innovation. In this direction, we have taken several initiatives, namely introduction of PhD programs, where presently 256 scholars are pursuing their PhDs in various disciplines. University has published more than 760 research papers in national and international journals of repute, out of which 260 papers are published in journals with impact factors. We also thrust on R&D and consultancy projects at CHARUSAT. Presently, university has 28 ongoing research projects funded by government funding agencies amounting rupees 612 lakhs, out of which 10 research projects have been completed of 204 lakhs, have in hand industry-sponsored projects of rupees 18 lakhs. AICT has also sanctioned grants of rupees 35 lakhs for MODROV's projects, completed 7 industry projects, and generated resources of 30 lakhs. CHARUSAT has allocated fund to the tune of rupees 75 lakhs for minor research projects to our young faculty. CHARUSAT holds 2 patents and 15 patents are filed. During the year, faculty members have published more than 49 research papers at national and international journals of repute, presented more than 38 research papers at national and international level conferences, total 78 different events, namely seminars, symposia, workshops, teachers trainings program were organized, including 3 international conferences. 42 events were financed by funding agency and 36 were financed by CHARUSAT. CHARUSAT has collaborations with universities of Alabama, Birmingham, the North Big Park Institute of Medical Research, UK, Terry University, New Delhi, and 15 others at the state and national level. CHARUSAT has installed a 100 kWp capacity solar photovoltaic pilot project in the campus, which is working satisfactorily, and has planned to make entire campus based on solar energy in coming few years. Students of Faculty of Technology and Engineering had participated in national and Asia levels competition through designing and fabricating outstanding innovative projects, namely Supra 2014, Students Formula Car, and second, Solar Car 2015, respectively, and received the first prize at several stages at national level and at Asia level. The competition also includes the prizes of rupees 1,15,000 and 1,10,000 respectively. Students have also developed AgriBox to improve agriculture crops output. I congratulate students participants. CHARUSAT is going to establish an Institute of Astronomy and Astrophysics in collaborations with Indian Planetary Society, offering UG, PG, and PhD programs in astronomy and physics, and have planned to create solar and stellar observatories from academic year 2016-17. CHARUSAT has adopted 36 schools in its surrounding area for the rural education development and enhancing quality education in these schools. The second focus is on healthcare education and healthcare delivery. It has been planned to develop 450-bed high-tech multi-speciality hospital, keeping in view of making healthcare services affordable to the people of all the classes. I am happy to inform that the first phase of 150-bed hospital has already been started its function at full-fledged level under the patronage of CHARUSAT Healthcare and Research Foundation. Establishment of medical college has also been envisioned by CHARUSAT management. Many national and international scholars researchers and technocrats have visited CHARUSAT and delivered lectures in general and under endowment chair in particular. I am pleased to inform that CHARUSAT has taken recent initiative to go for assessment and accreditation for CHARUSAT University by NEC. In this context, a peer team from NEC headquarters, Bangalore, is likely to visit the CHARUSAT in January-February 2016. Enthusiastic students of CHARUSAT also participated in curricular and extracurricular activities throughout the year and performed par excellence. We value their contribution. We believe that a university is a societal asset, and we assure you a better performance each time to bring more laurels for our university in pursuit of excellence and in our service to the society. I am sure our university will continue to value scholarship and promote excellence to build a worthy reputations to be counted among notable higher education institutions in the country and abroad. Once again, I warmly welcome you all. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. To mark the opening of the occasion, all the dignitaries are requested to come forward and light the lamp. Registrar is requested to facilitate.
In the presence of Goddess Saraswati and by her blessing, I declare the convocations open.
We will now request the respective deans to come forward for the solicitation. First, we request Dr. Amit Ganatra, Dean, Faculty of Technology and Engineering.
Students of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Technology and Bachelor of Technology programs, please rise. Honorable President, sir, and the members of governing body, now I present the students who have been examined and found qualified for the award of the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, postgraduate degrees of Master of Technology, and undergraduate degree of Bachelor of Technology under Faculty of Technology and Engineering. I request the governing body to confer the degree on them.
Students of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Pharmacy and Bachelor of Pharmacy programs, please rise. Honorable President, sir, and the members of governing body, I now present the students who have been examined and found qualified for the award of degree of Doctor of Philosophy, postgraduate degrees of Master of Pharmacy, and graduate degree of Bachelor of Pharmacy under Faculty of Pharmacy. I request the governing body to confer the degrees on them.
The students of Doctor of Philosophy, and Master of Science programs, please rise. Honorable President, sirs, and the member of the governing body, I now present the students who have been examined and found qualified for the award of Doctor of Philosophy and postgraduate degree of Master of Science under the Faculty of Applied Sciences. I request the governing body to confirm the degree on them.
Students of Master of Business Administration and Postgraduate Diploma in Management program, please rise. Honorable President, sir, and members